Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For more information regarding civil engineering concepts, please follow our website civilbasics123.blogspot.com. I will provide you the website link in the below description of this video. I will post at least one article per 2 days. Please follow our blog civilbasics123.blogspot.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to import the StatPro building model to latest ETABS software model. Okay, so initially I will show you the model which is related to the StatPro G+7 building structural model, and I will show you the specifications for the respected building structure. Then after that I will import the model to ETABS 18 version software. After the importing process is completed, I will show you how to modify the properties according to the 18 version software. So firstly, I am selecting the StatPro to ETABS folder here. So it will be consisting of my G+7 building model structure. Double click on it so that the model will be directly open in StatPro V8 software. So firstly, we have to check the specifications for the respected building structure as per the considerations of the design. So now we can see here my building model was open here like this. So firstly I will show you the length of the building, height of the building and width of the building. So click on the display node to node option, select the starting point here, again select the ending point. So it will be consisting of approximately 22.403 meter length. Again it will be consisting of 11.963 meter height. Okay, width. Again it will be consisting of approximately 27 meter height. Okay, so for this building I was taken ground level section here and plinth level section here and first story, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, like this. Okay, for the respected building model. Okay, so after that I will show you the specifications which is related to the beam size, column size. Go to general option, so select your respected rectangular section. So for this respected rectangular section, as per the architectural plan, we are consider the column size is approximately equal to 0.45 cross 0.23. Again in the same process we are consider the 0.23 cross 0.43 for the remaining column. Again in the same process we are taking the beam size which is related to the 0.35 cross 0.23 for the respected building section. Okay, so initially I will show you this model in rendering view. So click on the 3D rendering view option. So here my model is loading as per your 3D rendering view process. So this is the 3D rendering view for the respected G+7 building structural model. Okay, so firstly we have to save this model. Whatever the modifications that we are done for this respected model, initially we need to save here. Okay, so click on the save option so that the model will be saved directly. So click on the cancel option. Okay, so after closing this application, firstly we have to open the ETABS latest 18 version software. So here I am using ETABS 18 version software. Depends upon your respected 20 version or 21 version. If you are available with that respected version, you can directly apply the same procedure, whatever the procedure that I am explaining now for this respected video. So now you can see here my software was opening, which is related to the ETABS integrated analysis and design of building systems version 18. Okay, so if you are doing the analysis and designing in new version software, there is a lot of softwares are available. 19 version, like 20 version, 21 versions also available. If you are familiar with that respected software, you can directly open that. Okay, now you can see the software was loaded here like this. So firstly we have to select the file option on the top. It will be consisting of file, edit, view. So firstly we have to select here. Okay, so in this we need to select the import option. The import option will be directly available with the ETABS E2K text file format. Otherwise it will be available with all the ETABS database. Okay, again it is also available with the Revit structural model. Again it will be available with the DXF file format. Okay, so here in the last section it is available with StatStrud. Okay, .std.gti file. Okay, so as per the StatPro considerations, we are taking the StatStd files only. Okay, when we save the model which is related to the G+7 structural model, it will ask you to save the model as per the stat only .std. So here I am selecting StatStrud model. Okay, firstly, so in this we need to choose the file which is related to the StatPro software. Okay, so it will open your dialog box here like this. Firstly we have to click on the read file option. Okay, so in this we need to select the file which is related to the G+7 building model StatPro. So here I am selecting Stat2 ETABS. Just I am selecting G+7 model std. Click on open option so that the model will be directly open here like this. So it will ask you to convert data was completed. Do you want to convert the data? So you can click on the convert data option so that the values will be converted as per your consideration. So now you can see it will be consisting of base, 1 story, 2 story, 3 story, 4 story, 5 story, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. Okay, you can modify this respected option to plinth level. Okay, again in the same process I am changing the story to 1 number, 2 number. Again here I am changing that 3 number, this is 4 number, this is 5 number, this is 6 number, again this is 7 number, again this is the 8 number. So click on the OK option. Okay, so after that it will load the converting data files which is related to your respected points and supports and springs. So here we have to click on the OK option as per the default section only, so that it will directly load the data which is imported from the StatPro software to ETAP software. Now you can see here my processing line section 1/3. Again it is showing the processing lines for the respected section. So processing global DOFS data was converted. So you have to click on the OK option directly, so that the data will be directly imported to your respected ETAP software. So this importing process is applicable if the modeling is not possible for the respected structure which is related to the irregular model and curved shape buildings and high-rise building structural models. Okay, so after importing process completed, it will ask you to save the ETAPS model. So here I am selecting G+7 ETAPS model. So click on the save option, so that the model will be saved as per EDB file format. Okay, ETAPS drawing file format. Okay, which is related to the .edb. Okay, so it will take some time for loading the model. So now we can see here my model was loaded here like this. So firstly we have to check the dimensions. So right click on it. So click on the add modify grid lines option here, so that the data will be loaded as per your consideration. So click on the modify show grid system option. So it will be consisting of approximately 22.4028 for the respected length. Again it will be consisting of approximately the dimensions of your respected width here. Okay, as per your considerations of the building section, the dimensions are showing here like this. Okay, so you can also click on the display node to node distance, so that the value will be visible to your respected options here like this. Okay, click on the cancel option. So after that again in the same process, just I am selecting the cancel option. Okay, so now here we have to change the data as per the ETAPS 18 version software. Okay, so that's why firstly we have to edit the material properties. So here I'm taking material properties, add new material which is related to the Indian standard system, which is comes under the concrete of M30 grade. Click on OK. Now in the same process I'm adding the rebar section which is related to the rebar 415 grade. So click on OK option, click on OK. So after that we have to modify the dimensions. Go to define section properties, frame section. So it will be consisting of 3 types of the sections. Firstly we will delete this W44, 14 etc. Click on delete property option. So select the STD section 1, click on the modify show property option. So for that it will be consisting of the section property name is 450 cross 230. So we have to change the number to C1 option, column 1. Okay, again material to M30 grade, and you have to change the modify the reinforcement data as per your column consideration. So here we have to change HYSD bars. So you can modify as per your consideration. Just I'm simply keeping as a default values. Okay, so click on OK. Again in the same process we have to modify the C2 section also. Again in the same process you have to select the last one. Click on the modify option. So we have to write it as beam. Select the option is M30 grade, which is related to the concrete member which is of beam sections only. Again in the same process we have to change the HYSD bars here. Okay, so you can click on the OK option. So now we can see it was changed the complete data from StatPro software to ETAP software. So this is the complete process. So I will show you this model in rendering view. Click on the right mark option. So click on the extrude frames, extrude shells, click on apply option, click on OK option. This is the file which is opened in ETAP software. Okay, so this is the complete process of importing the StatPro model to new version of ETAPS 18 version software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for the respected questions. Thank you.